In today's video, I'm going to teach you about blogging in 2025 and why it's still a powerful tool for sharing your ideas, experiences, and expertise with the world. Despite the emergence of new digital platforms, blogging continues to hold its ground as an incredibly effective medium for content creators. Today, we'll focus on why Wix is an excellent choice for bloggers, emphasizing its ease of use, vast range of templates, built-in SEO features, and versatile monetization options. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to start your blog using Wix confidently. First things first, let's delve into how to start a blog on Wix. Our journey begins at the Wix website. You'll want to head over to wix.com, where you'll have the opportunity to create your account. Whether you choose a free or a premium plan depends largely on your goals and budget, but rest assured, Wix provides plenty of robust features even in its free version. After you've set up your account, the next task is to choose a blog template. Wix offers a variety of stunning blog templates tailored to suit diverse themes and purposes. As you browse through the options, consider what style and atmosphere best align with your vision. Once you've made your selection, feel free to dive into customization. Here you can modify colors, swap out fonts, and rearrange layouts to ensure your blog truly represents your aesthetic and brand identity. Following your template selection, it's time to enrich your blog with functionality by adding the Wix blog app. This feature brings everything you need to create and manage your blog directly to your fingertips. With this tool, you can organize your content by creating categories like lifestyle, business, travel, or any other niche that suits your fancy. This categorization not only aids in better content organization, but also enhances the user experience for your readers. Additionally, make sure to add author profiles, especially if you're collaborating with guest writers or maintaining multiple contributor voices on your platform. This small step contributes significantly to personalizing and humanizing your blog. Now that your blog's foundation is in place, the time has come to compose your very first blog post. Writing blog posts is where your creativity and passion come to fruition. Use this opportunity to captivate your audience with engaging content, ensuring it resonates with the theme and interests of your target readers. Remember to enrich your posts with well-researched information, captivating images, or other multimedia elements to bring your topics to life. By now, you should have a comprehensive understanding of how to start your blog on Wix. With a little dedication and creativity, your voice can reach audiences far and wide, sharing stories, insights, and information with a community eager to engage with your content. Whether you're blogging as a hobby, for business, or to share your journey with others, Wix offers you the necessary tools and flexibility to create a compelling